Okay folks, so right here testing the Viltrox 9mm Air 2.8. Got it loaded on my XE5 moment. If you can see the screen at all. We're going to take some test shots today. And that's number one. So this will be a short POV, just for some test shots as I say. See what we can get. And just mainly looking at what kind of inspirational shots, if you want to call them, we can get from this. As I say, it's extremely wide angled, so you're going to get a lot in the frame. So it's definitely something you need to think about when composing. But again, it does make for some really interesting shots. So I don't know if you can see any of this at all, but we will be reviewing the shots when we get back to the desk. Okay folks, I'm just going to jump in here real quick and just talk about something you may have noticed already, and that's the LCD screen on the back of the camera. It's pretty hard to see in this short video. Now, I completely forgot that I could turn up the brightness of the screen until near the end of the video. You'll see that quite soon. That's what this channel is all about, or what I'm trying to make it about, as well as showing my journey and learning from the mistakes that I make doing this. So obviously turn the screen up, brightness up on that would be my thought going forward. Also looking at the quite bad reflection off the back of the screen, but I think again that's just me not having the correct equipment. So I'm looking at maybe getting a wee CPL filter, circular polarizing filter, I think that's called, to see if that can cut that down as well. It might help. End of the day, it's worth a try. So yeah, that's all I've got to really say about that. So let's get back to the video. Yeah. So a very short POV for this just now. Sorry if the wind's quite noticeable in the volume of this. I do have a mic mini, but I haven't managed to set it up yet. I know it probably only takes about 2 minutes to do, but I haven't got round to it yet, so hopefully this isn't too bad. If not, I'll be doing some voiceover, so I'm not always lost. And I'll be stopping and starting this video just to cut down the editing time, to be honest. So see you back in a wee moment. So another wee shot here. Go vertical. So a wee walk through the blossom trees here. Might make for some interesting shots as well, especially with this wide angle lens. As I say, the lens itself, it's not weather sealed, though it is quite a sturdy hard plastic construction. Got a metal ring at the base there, don't know if you can see that. So, you know, it'll take some battering. Let's try over here. And the shadows a wee bit more. So say it's a 2.8 9mm. Very light, as we've mentioned before. So on top of in front of the XE5, it's still hardly noticeable when you've actually got the camera in your hands, and especially when you've got a wee proper grip. I've got here the tilter wooden grip on this one as well. So that extra grip, especially someone with big hands like myself, it's a lot better. I see the lens isn't heavy at all, it's very light, and it's perfect for something like the XE5, to be honest with you. So moving on, we'll take another wee wander somewhere else and get some more photos. So this coming up on the soon to be reopened Paisley Museum and Library. Well, Paisley Museum I should say, it's not going to be a library in there anymore. So see what we can get here. Let's try a wee vertical. As you can see, you can get a lot in the frame here, so definitely composition is going to be key. We'll walk on a wee bit, see what else we can see. So this is the Coats Church in Paisley, so this should be a nice wee location to get some good shots. In fact, let's try this one right here. Again, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I might give me an excuse to buy a wee on-camera monitor at some point for during the day. You'll see my London POV night photography video coming out soon. Much better view of the screen and things like that. Again, you've got to make do what you've got at this point in time. So we'll try and see. Okay, so I've just turned the brightness up on the screen just to see if that worked. So not just a test shot for this, test shot for that as well. Wee vertical. Hopefully you just don't see my face on all this. Anyway, I think that's enough test shots for just now, so we'll go back and review the images on the computer itself and see what we've got. Okay, see you in a moment. Okay, so that was a short POV around my hometown, just to get some test shots of the 9mm Viltrox 9mm 2.8 Air. Now, originally did a POV to put into the previous video, which was the kind of mini review, the unboxing mini review of the Viltrox 9mm, but I got to the point where I was thinking it was a bit too long, so I decided just to leave it out. Now, if you are looking to see a bit more of those test images that I took with the 9mm lens, pop over to the previous video, give it a watch. If you don't want to watch it all, fast forward to about 11 minutes and 37 seconds, round about there, and that's when we start comparing or start going over the test images, if you do want to see, if you are interested in seeing how those came out. In the meantime though, if you are liking what I'm doing so far, especially POV videos, I'm aiming to do a lot more POV videos in the future, so if you are looking to see more of that, give me a like and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit. And as usual, all the images you see in my videos are edited in my very own preset packs. They are available over on the website, so again, please go and check them out for yourself. I'll leave links in the descriptions below. Now, if you are looking to pick up this small but very capable and very mighty lens, in my opinion, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can have a wee look at that, see if it's something that you would want to pick up for yourself. Same as everything else, I'll leave links for the camera, the wee tilter, handle grip thing there, the wee wooden one that looks quite nice on the XE5, I don't say so myself. And just to circle back, if you are looking to see those test images or watch the whole previous video from before, you can find it right here.